Hey, Drew Jablonowski with DRiV. Today I'm at 510 North Main Street visiting Rochester Hills Tire and Service. We got Cory here, who's just a great customer of DRiV product. And you know, he bent my ear one day and I said, Cory, do you mind shooting an interview? And he said, absolutely not. Let me come in on my day off and let's talk DRiV.
Hi, my name is Cory. I own and operate Rochester Hills Tire and Service. We've been in business since 1978, serving the Rochester community area and reaching out far beyond. We got 13 bays. We got 18 guys working for us to make all this happen, and many vendors outside on the back end here. Our number one being DRiV to help support getting these cars in and out with the parts. So DRiV Parts delivers a great product line in the aftermarket world that offers great affordability to all of us out there. So it's keeping our repair costs down, but also we got good opportunities for an aftermarket quality part that sometimes fixes some of the OEM issues that we have. So we've got great availability, we got quick turnaround time, we got good parts that are getting put on a vehicle, and you guys got good warranties and you stand behind them. We use all of them. We use a lot of the Moog product. We use a lot of the Walker product for our exhaust replacement components, wheel bearings, suspension parts, Monroe shocks and struts, and that's our big movers. We've got Wagner calipers, we got Monroe shocks and struts, we got Monroe front end parts, we got Moog wheel bearings. We've actually got 3, 4, 5 vendors that we got availability on DRiV parts, and it definitely makes that much more streamlined for us. All of us use that DRiV product. We run that right on true and true. When we see any indifferences that come up, I mean, it's easy to work with you guys, so the guys are very easily enticed by the product because, you know, we've got great back-end support. We got good product that goes on it. If there's an issue, the warranty stuff is handled very quickly and easily, and that's why we like DRiV. Yeah, we are. We're part of that OVERDRiV loyalty program. You know, some of the aspects that we like about that is, once again, the support on the training, the online videos that the guys can get into anytime. Obviously, we get some rebates and stuff that come on the back end there. The guys get some opportunities to do some of those funner classes and get to meet some of the other guys in the community outside of us, and also interact with you guys. You know, your group has some pretty deep knowledge, and the testing that you guys do it's very helpful. You guys get to see some of the stuff that's forthcoming to us that we haven't got to touch yet. So that's huge, you know, and not to mention if we do well, you guys reward us with a pretty cool trip.
Well, you heard it from Cory's mouth to your ears. We're here at Rochester Hills Tire and Service. Stop by, get some great work done, great parts that we're using here. I appreciate your time. I'm gonna let you get back to work because I know you're busy. Thanks, Cory.
Thanks again for coming out.